Good day everyone. This is the tutorial on how to install Ethernet cable, specifically the T568A and the T568B, or the straight through and the crossover in the patch panel. It has the same procedures. The difference is the color coding. The first thing that you are going to do is strip off the jacket of the cable using the wire stripper. Once you have exposed all the conductors inside of the cable, make sure to cut off the center plastic divider. Once done, you are going to separate the conductors and untwist them one by one. After untwisting them, you are then going to line the conductors up inside the patch panel. Make sure to pull them down nice and firmly so they do not move before you punch them down. Once all the wires are placed, take your punch down tool and punch the wires into the patch panel. Or you can punch them down without lining them up to make procedure faster. Once you are done punching them down, you can either cut or keep the excess wire, but cutting them will make it look cleaner. After doing all that, you can finally use the RJ45 tester to see the result. The pattern may seem abnormal, but this is crossover. That is why the blinks are not straight. If it is straight through, the patterns will be straight and normal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. See you again next time.